Wow, 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 wow.
Hi kids, my name's Crocodile Boggee, and this is my wisdom show. Hi kids, my name's Crocodile Boggee, and this is my wisdom show. Today, Betty Sue couldn't be with us today because she's out fishing. How you doing down there, Betty Sue?
I swear to God, I hate you, you fat piece of crap!
Mama knows me more. Get down there.
Screw you, you fatso!
Oh, I love that bitch. Okay. Well, hello kids. Today's episode is about fishing. And today's main subject is going to be my wife, Betty Sue. Say hi, Betty Sue.
Screw you!
That's me. Alright, let's get back to the show. There are many forms of fishing. There's the type with the pole, but that's just stupid. Alright? And there's the fly fishing, where you just go, whoop, chow. That's even more stupid. Now, the right type of fishing is the ones where you do with your hands. Show me how to do it, Betty Sue.
I swear to God, I'm gonna break it out, I'm gonna show you, you fat pig! I'm gonna break it! You fat cow!
That's how you actually do the fishing. Except when you dive in, you want to grab with your waist. Just go, wow! Try and grab as many fish as you can, and then wing out and start breaking on the necks, and then run out screaming. Alright? Let's go to the next clip. The next form of fishing is called gator wrestling. When you go in to go and hop on a gator, so you want to just get a good start, run in, jump on it, and just kick the little crap out of it. Now, to demonstrate this is my good cousin, Billy Joe. He's going to go and jump into the water and kick the little shit out of a gator. But today, the gator is a log. Go and show him the log. Alright, back to me. Alright? Now, when we do this, he's going to be all over the place, so you might want to watch it with intensity, and there will be a lot of splashing, and maybe some parts flying off. Alright? Go, Billy Joe!
Yeah! Oh, shit! Good God! It's the gator! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Another run down! Woo! Woo! Oh, look at the guys all over the place! Woo! 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 Yeah! Oh!
Bring it back home, Billy Joe!
Yeah! Fuck you, motherfucker! This is the message from Tennessee to South Rescue! Yeah! Woo!
That was my cousin Billy Joe, and he just showed you how to gator wrestle.
Yeah! Woo!
Hey, Billy Joe!
Woo!
Billy Joe, you stupid! So, Billy Joe, how was it wrestling that gator there?
It's the great blue bass! Yeah! Oh, the heavens have answered my prayers! Come here, you little bestie! I'm gonna eat you tonight! Yeah! Yeah! Get out of your little apple! I'm gonna eat you!
Well, kids, hope you enjoyed my show today. I know I did. Tune in next time for an even greater show. Now I'm going to go and start fishing. So I need to make sure that this Betty Sue is really well fed. Because she just loves her food.
Come here, you numpty! I just want to pet you! And then touch you!
Billy Joe, where are you going? Okay, back to fishing.
Oh, the great blue bessie is back! I found it! We're having that thing tonight! Woo! Yeah!
for my mechanism!